Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best sleeping pillows is probably one of the most important purchases you'll make for a better night's sleep, and with so many options available on Amazon, finding the perfect one can feel overwhelming. This video will cut through the noise and help you choose the best sleeping pillow for your specific needs and preferences, ensuring you wake up refreshed and ready to take on the day. Number 5. Amazon Basics Down Alternative Pillows. Experience luxurious comfort with these pillows. They're designed to provide the perfect support for stomach and back sleepers. This set includes 2 king-size pillows, giving you the perfect pair for a restful night's sleep. Enjoy the value and convenience of a 2-pack. These pillows offer a soft density ideal for stomach and back sleepers. You'll wake up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. They're made with a down alternative fill, making them a great choice for allergy sufferers. Breathe easy and sleep soundly. It's made from 100% polyester microfiber, ensuring softness and strength. Plus, they're made in an OEKOTX certified factory, meeting high safety and environmental standards. Simply machine wash and tumble dry these pillows. Allow 24 hours to decompress after unpacking for optimal fluffiness. What we like. If you are a stomach or back sleeper and prioritize softness and affordability, this is a great option. It's hypoallergenic, making it suitable for allergy sufferers. Its soft density ensures comfortable support throughout the night, without breaking the bank. What people say. Very plush, light and so comfortable. More supportive than other pillows that cost way more. I gave the pillows 5 stars because I've now used the soft pillow for several months with no issue, and I continue to sleep well. The pillows are not firm as maybe mentioned, but they are so soft that they cradle my neck and face and helps my sleep tremendously. Number 4. Kølbs Bed Wedge Pillow. Say goodbye to sleepless nights. This pillow provides comfortable support and elevates your head, body, or legs for better sleep and relief from various ailments. Experience luxurious comfort with its plush memory foam top and stylish jacquard cover. It's designed to provide optimal support and alleviate discomfort. Choose the height that suits you best. We offer 7.5-inch and 12-inch options to ensure a perfect fit for your needs and preferences. The removable jacquard cover adds a touch of elegance to your bedroom while protecting it from stains. Plus, it's machine washable for easy cleaning. It's perfect for those who suffer from snoring, acid reflux, back pain, or post-surgical recovery. It helps improve sleep quality and reduce discomfort. Use it to elevate your head, feet, or legs. It's incredibly versatile and adaptable to your specific needs. What we like. If you suffer from sleep apnea, acid reflux, or back pain, this wedge pillow provides elevated support and promotes better sleep posture. Its stylish jacquard cover adds a touch of elegance to your bedroom, and the removable, washable cover ensures easy maintenance. It's perfect for those seeking both comfort and style. What people say. The product is very well made and worth the price. The cover is washable and comfortable, the foam is of one piece and good quality and keeps its shape. It also works well placed on a sofa or on stool in front of a chair. Very portable, compact but has enough width to accommodate both legs. This pillow helps with a few issues. I really like this pillow as it arrived neatly packaged and expanded rather quickly. I removed the nice cover and washed it, while the pillow aired outside, for half a day. To my relief, there was no awful continuous odor. None. I've tried another wedge pillow and the smell was just intolerable. I like the width of this wedge pillow, which is wider than many others. I sleep on my side and it works well. I just add a pillow under my head and it's very comfortable. Number 3. Sleep Restoration Gel Pillow, 2-pack Queen. Introducing the Sleep Restoration Gel Pillow. These queen-size pillows are designed to provide you with the ultimate hotel-quality sleep experience. They are incredibly comfortable and plush. Filled with cooling, gel-infused down alternative polyester, this pillow helps regulate temperature. It ensures a cool and comfortable night's sleep, no matter your sleeping position. The bounce-back construction conforms to your head and neck, offering excellent support. It's designed to cradle your head and neck, promoting proper spinal alignment. These pillows are designed for easy care. You can simply machine wash and tumble dry them. This makes maintaining the pillow's cleanliness and freshness a breeze. Featuring elegant 250 thread count, 100% cotton sateen striped pillow covers. They are also fade and stain resistant, ensuring they look and feel great for years to come. Whether you're a back, side, or stomach sleeper, this pillow is designed to provide comfort. It's the perfect addition to your bedroom for a luxurious sleep experience. What we like. If you appreciate luxurious comfort and a cool sleeping experience, this plush, gel-infused pillow is for you. Its hotel-quality feel and cooling properties ensure a restful night's sleep. The bounce-back construction conforms to your head and neck for customized support. What people say. They are comfortable to sleep on immediately. After unpacking it and letting it slowly fluff to its full size, once I was able to put my head and lay on it, my immediate thought was, I've completely forgotten what a real pillow feels like. Alright, so these are fairly comfortable, tend to form around your head while sleeping, but not covering your face, and seem to keep their shape. Pillows are well made, offers good head support and extremely comfortable. Number 2. Pillow Cube Side Cube. Are you a side sleeper struggling with neck, back, or shoulder pain? This pillow was designed by side sleepers, for side sleepers, to provide the support you need for a better night's sleep. Unlike traditional pillows, it fills the gap between your neck and shoulder. This provides the support you need to alleviate pain caused by inadequate support. It features a soft, stretchy pillowcase, a breathable cover, and a temperature-regulating core. Experience a cool and comfortable sleep all night long. Side sleeping is healthier for you. It improves circulation, reduces acid reflux, enhances REM sleep, and can even alleviate snoring for a better overall sleep experience. Every detail, from the firmness to the breathable cover, has been carefully considered and tested to deliver the best sleep of your life. What we like. If you're a side sleeper struggling with neck and shoulder pain, this unique cube-shaped pillow provides targeted support. It fills the gap between your neck and shoulder, alleviating pressure points and promoting pain relief. The breathable cover and cooling memory foam ensure a comfortable sleep. What people say. I have tried pretty much every pillow there is and this one is a keeper. I am a side back sleeper and this is the perfect height for my neck and helps relieve should pain. Great shoulder, neck and head support for side sleeping. Helps keep your head and neck positioned. Pressure relieving, doesn't cause issues with pressure points. No issues with overheating. I have had this pillow for about 2 months now, and I am no longer waking up with neck or upper back pain. I am a side sleeper, and at first, the cube felt very uncomfortable, but after a few days, I got used to it and the pain was gone. It's the best pillow I have ever bought for myself. Number 1. EverSnug Adjustable Pillows. Finding the right pillow can be tough, but not anymore. These pillows adjust to your preferred sleeping position, whether you're a side, stomach, or back sleeper. Enjoy the luxury of a 5-star hotel experience at home. It perfectly adjusts to your preferred firmness and height for a perfect night's sleep. Say goodbye to night sweats. The breathable cover and filling keep you cool and comfortable, even on warm nights. Made with premium materials and OKOTX certified, it's both luxurious and easy to clean. Simply toss it in the washer. We're confident you'll love these pillows. But if for any reason you're not completely satisfied, contact us, and we'll make it right. What we like. If you're a versatile sleeper who can't find the perfect pillow firmness, this adjustable pillow is your solution. Its innovative design allows you to customize the height and firmness to suit your sleeping position. The cooling cover and luxurious materials ensure a comfortable and refreshing sleep. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.